The AquaSense 2 Pro Pool Cleaner offers impressive 5-in-1 cleaning capability, tackling every pool surface, waterline, walls, and floor with ease. With app-controlled surface navigation, you can effortlessly guide the cleaner across your pool, targeting and removing debris with precision. Utilizing natural, skin-safe, recycled crabshell agents, it clarifies up to 99,000 gallons of water 4 times faster than traditional methods, ensuring crystal-clear water. The innovative smart parking and drainage system allows the cleaner to automatically return to the pool edge and release water, making it lighter and easier to retrieve. Its robust battery life provides up to 11 hours of surface cleaning and 5 hours for floors or walls, making it perfect for large pools up to 3,875 square feet. Backed by a 3-year full replacement warranty and constructed with UV and heat-resistant, automotive-grade materials, it promises exceptional durability and reliability.